Hello and welcome back to our channel. So today in this video we are going to discuss about how to insert image in ChatGPT. So without wasting much of our time, let's get straight into the video. So to insert image in ChatGPT, all you need to do is simply tap open a web browser. Once you open it, you need to type in the URL www.openai.com. After you have done this, hit the search bar and you will end up in the official website of ChatGPT. So simply tap on Try ChatGPT option. After you have done this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So now you can even ask anything to ChatGPT to get answers for your questions. So to simply insert image, you need to tap on the plus sign. Once you tap on plus sign, you can find several other options. Simply select an option to insert image. I am choosing photo library. So once you do this, you will end up in this kind of interface. So simply tap on any image you want to select and tap on add. After you have done this, you will be able to insert the image on your ChatGPT. So simply tap on the upward arrow and this will allow you to send this image to ChatGPT, and it will help you search or solve any queries you have related to this image. I hope you found this video helpful, so don't forget to hit that subscribe button and do give us a thumbs up. We will be back again with more informative videos. Thank you for watching.